Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the SOXL ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's essential to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a promising investment opportunity, rating it as a buy candidate with a score of 2.93. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 37.6% since we initially recommended SOXL as a buy candidate 27 days ago. In simpler terms, this means an average daily return of 1.39% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected that the price will eventually react and move back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the top trend line at $40.09 is broken, it may indicate an even stronger rate of ascent. Looking ahead, the 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 64.37% over the next 3 months, offering a possible return between 37.76% and 68.46%. Similarly, the 12-month trend suggests a 62.11% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -21.48% to 63.69%. This implies a price range of $30.72 to $64.04 after 12 months. Our latest update on the SOXL ETF highlights a significant increase in its price on Wednesday. The SOXL ETF price experienced a gain of 6.19% on the last trading day, rising from $36.84 to $39.12 on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Throughout the day, the ETF's value fluctuated by 4.4%, reaching a low of $37.61 and a high of $39.27. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 21.87% increase over 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 24 million, with a total of 62 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.41 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices may indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for future changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $41.33, while the lowest price was $12.52. At present, the price is 5.35%, equivalent to $2.21, below the highest point of the past year and 89.66%. Equivalent to $339.12, below the all-time high on November 26, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Today, let's take a look at the signals for SOXL, an ETF worth considering. The ETF is showing mixed signals at the moment. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a -0.509% decline. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there's currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, the SOXL ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. There's also a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the price corrects downward, there will be support at $37.25 and $32.62. It's important to note that a breakdown below these levels will trigger sell signals. Despite gaining prices, the ETF experienced a decrease in volume during the last trading day, which creates a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign, so it's crucial to closely monitor the ETF. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider in your trading strategy. First, let's talk about the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which gave a sell signal 4 days ago. Now, let's look at the Bollinger Bands. They generated a buy signal 44 days ago. If we focus on short-term moving averages, they provided a buy signal 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving averages also gave a buy signal 28 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, the short moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average on the 12-month chart also provided a buy signal 64 days ago. Lastly, let's analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages. They showed a buy signal 52 days ago. If you're hungry for more signals and insights, remember to check out our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $37.48. This means that when the price reaches this level, there is a potential buying opportunity. It's likely that we'll see an upwards reaction from the market as the support is being tested. However, it's important to note that SOXL is considered to be high risk. This is because it's an ETF that can experience significant volatility throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. Looking at recent data, we can see that in the last day, SOXL had a price difference of $1.66 between its highest and lowest points. That's a 4.4% change. And over the past week, the average daily volatility for this ETF has been 6.43%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOXL. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $39.15. If you're not currently holding any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $37.48. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, as we may anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $37.72, which is a decrease of 3.57%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences high daily movements, which brings a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal based on a pivot top that was detected 3 days ago. Should you consider buying the SOXL ETF? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that there may be a buying opportunity for the SOXL ETF. However, our analysis shows that the current price is overvalued, indicating the need for caution. For Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate that SOXL will open with a decline of $0.455 and begin trading at $38.67. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your input, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear whether you agree or disagree with our analysis. Additionally, we're curious to know what your target for the ETF is. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.